Always nice people in Thailand. Kamala Beach here. Oh, here's the keys. Here. Almost. All right, guys, I got this little Mustang Sally fired up. These fellas fired it up after a few rounds, and you know what? I broke my own rule, which is always carry jumper cables with you. I've had videos on my YouTube before about this, and guess what? I didn't have them on me today, and my car didn't start. Now, there might be a few lights here, and you know, they're always lit up for different reasons. I don't know why, but the car starts and it runs fabulous. So that's all I care about, and there's plenty of gas in there, so I'm good to go. All right, have a good day. Thailand Trixie over and out from beautiful Kamala Beach, Phuket, Thailand. Take care of yourself.